Welcome to my channel. This is T from T-Dubb BBQ. If this is your first time, thank you for joining. If this is not your first time, thank you for joining. Before we get started, do me a favor and make sure that you're subscribed, hit that like button, and also throughout the video, make sure you comment and don't forget to share. I came across this recipe on Instagram, Taste of Tay. Her recipe is a little different from mine because I didn't have everything that she had, but I made it my own. So let's get to it. Here we have a few of our ingredients. Of course, we have the chicken, which is the star of the show. Got the lemon, garlic, the butter, onion, thyme, parsley, and potatoes. And we could not find the tarragon on this round, but we're going to use some other herbs and seasonings. Of course, for this recipe, you can use whatever type of seasonings and herbs that you want. So that's why I don't have them displayed here. But what we're going to do is we're going to put some salt and pepper on the bird, and then we're going to incorporate the mixture, and you're going to see how this all comes together. So I'm going to get this chicken washed and cleaned and spatchcocked. This is going to be different for me because I don't like spatchcocking by taking out the backbone. So we'll see. I usually cut through the breast, but for the sake of this video, I might do a traditional quote unquote spatchcock of this bird. So just have to wait around and see. But very excited about this recipe and showing you guys how this is going to look after everything is cut up. Here we have a cast iron pan. This is the biggest cast iron pan that I have. So we're going to use this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take these potatoes. They've already been cleaned and washed, and put these in here. Then we're going to come in with some chopped onions. Spread those around. And then come with some garlic cloves. Get those in there. And some chopped parsley in there. You can see I have the chopped parsley over here with the softened butter. And so we'll get to that later. But right now, and here comes, put in a couple of lemon slices. And some fresh thyme. And we're going to go ahead and season this too. I got some Carter's barbecue rub. I'm almost out. It's one of our favorite rubs. And I'm just going to mix it around and get it nice and seasoned and get everything distributed evenly as I can throughout the pan. And again, you can use whatever rub you like, whatever type of seasoning. Get this seasoning. This is a very good seasoning. Get that distributed. All right, and so now I'm going to work on the butter. What I forgot to mention, we did put some, I'll show you guys. We put some paprika on here and some dried oregano and also some rosemary. And so we're going to put some paprika in this mix here. Got a little bit of chili onion sprinkle, so we're going to put that in here as well. And we got some Carter's barbecue garlic and herb seasoning, because why not? And then we're going to get some more of this pork and chicken rub. We're going to come through with just a little bit of olive oil and get this nice and mixed up and incorporated. Come in here with just a little more olive oil. I'm going to add some Yeah, I'm gonna add a little chicken broth to it. That's pretty much it. We're gonna get this bird seasoned up with some salt and pepper and also some Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub. All right, I did add some bell peppers as well. And here goes the chicken. Got it seasoned. And so now what I'm gonna do is just add this mixture on here and spread it around. Get some of this underneath the skin. That's also how you're gonna get some nice juicy flavor through and through. Make sure you get underneath that skin. I already seasoned underneath the skin. Just gonna go ahead and put this on here like that, y'all. And get that nice and worked in. And when you see me again, this bird will be outside. All right, got some oak on this side and have pecan on this side, and we're gonna let this bad boy go for about an hour before I check it out. I don't know if you can see, but she's looking good. That butter compound is sliding off in spots, but that's fine. Not worried about that. But losing sunlight, so next time you see me, the bird will be in the house and I'll be slicing into it. See you soon. And here is the finished product. Gonna take some of these juices here and pour over this. And then I'm gonna tint this with some foil. Let it rest. And then we're gonna slice into it. Okay. All right, so we've had some rest time. And it's now time to cut into it. Just gonna cut this piece here so you can see. Look at that. So there was no doubt that this would be juicy because, I mean, it's sitting here, the juices were cooking underneath, which keeps the bird moist underneath without drying out the skin. So leave a comment, let me know what you think. Would this be a good replacement for your Thanksgiving meal? Would you try this at all? Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and until next time.